How to create a username that is easy to remember.
Hello there. Today, we'll be discussing a key element of your online identity, your username. Your username is how you're identified on most digital platforms, and crafting a good one that is easy to remember can make a big difference. Let's dive into how to create an effective and memorable username.
What makes a username memorable?
A memorable username typically possesses a few key traits. It is unique, significant to you, simple, and stands out in the minds of others. A good username tells a story about you, reflects your personality, or reveals something you care about.
Steps to create an easy-to-remember username.
Step 1. Identify your interests. Begin by identifying your interests, hobbies, or things you're passionate about. These could be anything from sports, music, films, books, or your profession. You can combine 2 or more of these interests to create a more unique username. Step 2. Play with words. Next, play around with these words. You can use puns, alliterations, idioms, or sayings that you find catchy or significant. Consider synonyms for your words of interest, as they may give your username a fresh twist. Step 3. Add numbers or special characters, if allowed. If the platform allows, add numbers or special characters to your username. This can add a layer of personalization, especially if the numbers have some significance to you, like your birth year or lucky number. However, avoid using complicated combinations, as it might make your username harder to remember.
What to avoid when creating a username.
While creating a username, there are certain things you should avoid to make it easy to remember. Avoid overly complex or long usernames. They can be hard to recall or type accurately. Avoid using too many numbers or special characters. This can make a username confusing. Avoid using sensitive or personal information, such as your full name, address, or other identifiers that could be used maliciously. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to create a unique and memorable username. Remember, a great username is a blend of your personality, interests, and a bit of creativity. We hope this guide has been helpful in crafting your digital identity. Happy username creating!